Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to password protect a USB drive in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to go. Once your PC is fully operational, you're ready to begin the process of securing your USB drive with password protection. Start by navigating to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. Once it opens, type in BitLocker in the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the BitLocker Drive Encryption window, which is Windows' built-in tool for securing your drives with encryption and password protection. Once the BitLocker window appears, direct your attention to the bottom section where you'll find the Removable Data Drives area. This is where all your external USB drives and other removable storage devices are listed. Locate your USB drive from this list and click on it to select it. After selecting your drive, you'll see an option that says Turn BitLocker On. Go ahead and click on this button to initiate the encryption setup. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the system prepares your drive for encryption. Once the preparation process completes, you'll be prompted to create and add a password for your drive. Enter a strong password that you'll remember, then confirm it by typing it again. This password will be required every time you or anyone else tries to access the USB drive, so make sure it's something secure but memorable. After confirming your password, you'll be presented with 3 different options for storing and keeping your recovery key. You can choose to save it within your Microsoft account, save it to a file, or print the recovery key. For this tutorial, we'll use the Save to a File option, which allows you to store the recovery key on your computer or another secure location. Once you've saved the recovery key, click on Next to continue. In the next step, you'll see encryption options. Select the option that says Encrypt Used Disk Space Only. This option provides protection specifically for the space on your drive that contains data, which makes the encryption process much faster if your drive isn't completely full. Click on the radio button to select this option, then click on Next to proceed. For the next step, you'll need to choose a compatibility mode. Select Compatible Mode from the options presented. This ensures your encrypted USB drive will work properly across different Windows systems. Click on Next again and the encryption process will officially begin. At this point, all you need to do is wait patiently while the system encrypts your USB drive. The time this takes will depend on how much data is stored on your drive. And that's it. Your USB drive is now password protected and encrypted, keeping your data secure from unauthorized access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.